If your fitness partner naps more than lifts, you've definitely got a cat. While you're breaking a sweat, your feline friend is perfecting the art of relaxation, claiming the best spot in the room, right on your yoga mat. But if your workout turns into a game of tag and you're being chased during sit-ups, you've got a dog for sure. Dogs just can't resist joining the fun. Welcome to chaos. Watch our dog go full Rocky with every sit-up, tail wagging, energy soaring, and absolutely no boundaries when it comes to personal space. Meanwhile, the cat claims the yoga mat like royalty, stretching out and refusing to budge, as if supervising your every move with a look of pure judgment. Cat says, "I stretched in 2018. That's enough for this decade, right?" So, who's really winning this workout? Is it the energetic dog, the chill cat, or maybe you? You decide.